Yeah, we don't believe in plagiarism at all.
So with Priyank and Raghav, it's been an amazing vibe. We wanted to keep that Latin flavor, that little Spanish flavor.
So before we talk about the song, welcome to Box Office India, Prakriti and Sukriti. I hope you are having a great day. And
yes, we are.
how many interviews are you through?
Three, yeah. And there's some more left, and then there are some telephonic. So, but it's going to be fun because I can talk about Hum Tum all day. I'm just too excited.
Absolutely, I saw the teaser and I'm loving the vibe. It's an amazing vibe. It's so good. So everyone's excited about the song. So my first question would be obviously, what is the song all about?
I think ये बहुत ही happy गाना हमारा पहला happy गाना है actually, because we always talk about boys leaving and we being heartbroken. So I'm really happy this song is about falling in love. Yeah. Actually, the song was created with the mindset of the lockdown and the situation right now and everything. I think it's made from the feeling of just getting lost with somebody you love and getting away from everybody and everything. So I think ये गाने का आइडिया है कि तुम हम और हम तुम हो जाए कहीं गुम या मैं तेरे बिना गुमसुम न जाने तूने ऐसा क्या किया. तो ये बहुत ही simple hook था that I think a lot of people could relate to at that time. I think they still will relate to this and and it's just happy vibes we are trying to give people and सबको अच्छा लग रहा है अब तक तो. So
yeah, exactly. And this is such a nice thought that generally are songs about how a guy leaves a girl and she is left heartbroken. So I think that's a really nice thought that you're putting out a happy song in the time of Corona.
Yeah, I think that's whatever we can in our capacity with music too, because anyway everybody is in a very chaotic zone. So how do we make it better? And it doesn't really have to be a loved one, per se. It can just be your family, it can be your best friend, it can be anyone. So it is that kind of a song that you can dedicate anyone. Yeah, for sure.
Hey, that's good to know. So the song also features Priyank and Raghav. How did that happen? And what was the vibe with them on the sets?
Oh, it was amazing. We like before casting, we were just thinking that ये जो हमने गाना बनाया है, it was like a hip hop beat with some Latin flavors. If you hear the song, it's got that Latin guitars and that feel going on. So we were very, very sure that we want to go ahead with two people who can definitely dance, and are also actors. Then we had a very long list, but I think the two best names that we really wanted were the ones that got selected on this project. And for them, it was the song, and I think Priyank and Raghav both very, very excited and they loved the song. And to a point where even, Priyank was just telling me the other day, and even on some interviews that we were doing, he said that this is that kind of a song that he was looking for a very long time. Yeah. And so with Priyank and Raghav, it's been an amazing vibe. It's been almost like, four best friends, like long lost and found. And they literally put us in a rehearsal hall and we were just like laughing and going crazy. Shot the video after a few days and it was the most peaceful, positive, happy shoot. I think दोनों की vibe बहुत हम दोनों से similar है. They're both super young. They're both very hardworking, hardworking, very focused. So I think it's just so much to learn from them, to just watch them do their thing. On set, it was such an inspiring atmosphere, and now we're such good friends. So it's just an amazing vibe, and I think video में वो दिखेगा आपको.
Absolutely, I think there are very few songs जिसका teaser इतना attractive होता है that you actually wait for the song. When it comes to a single, I think. So I think one of your song is one of those songs. So that's great. So coming to this video, I think the video also matters a lot when it comes to a single. And coming to your video, it has a very tropical vibe, like bright colors and nice tropical vibe. Can you shed some light on that?
So obviously जब ये गाना बना था तो COVID time तो obviously नहीं था. We thought we're going to travel. We were zeroing down on where we can travel because we wanted open spaces. I personally, actually both of us wanted a video in which we're driving. It's more of like a drive type of a song where you're going on a long drive and something like that. But वो नहीं हुआ. And we figured अभी it is COVID times, but what can we do best? And that's when Adil Sheikh, our director, came on board and the amazing team at Tidal Originals. We sat down. We had a lot of references references. I had it like we watch a lot of international videos, and we have like we made a lot of references come down, and we thought that what can we do best. We sorted everything out, and I think the 3 setups that we've achieved in the 3 videos it's actually shot in Andheri East. I don't know if you can tell that, but it's all
Not at all.
indoor studio shoot. But it's all done. Like every little thing that you see in the video, be it like the mirror sequence or the tropical forest that we've tried to create, or the orange walls, they've all been very intentional because we wanted to keep that Latin flavor, that little Spanish flavor. We wanted to keep the vibe very Latin, but at the same time, something that Indian audiences will also love. So it's been a lot of हमने mood boards बहुत तैयार करने की कोशिश की थी, गाने से पहले, because it's our first studio shoot and first indoor shoot. So we were also very nervous, but now we're actually looking forward to everyone's reactions. We're very proud of the video now.
Great. So I did, like, this question wasn't in my list of questions, but this popped up. There's this page, Diet Sabya. So you know how they are always talking about copying and everything. So when you're taking references, do you have that kind of fear that a page like Diet Sabya might, find some similarities or something? Maybe even if it's not your conscious effort.
No, I think as an artist, it's so important to be inspired. Like, I don't think any artist can be a true artist and be doing well in their art if they're not inspired. Like everybody, all the singers around me also who do the same thing as me, I listen to everybody's music, whether Bollywood or international. I'm always trying to sing the same songs. I'm always constantly inspired. So I think when it comes to videos also, I mean, like, I will definitely watch a Dua Lipa song and be like, oh my god, she did this, like, we have to reach here, so that's where it comes. Jitni bhi references bhi hai, we have tried to not obviously copy them, they're just ideas. They're just ideas. In terms of even what we are wearing, those are things that have been, stitched for us. The gowns that we're wearing, everything has been, a lot of mood boards have gone into this, a lot of research has gone into this, and then of course they were made specially for us. Actually, there's no other video to compare because कोई और duo का actually ज़्यादा video है नहीं. So even when we are thinking of references, we don't know what to look for and what to type on YouTube because there aren't too many twins to take inspiration from
in a music video. So you're gonna be stay off the Diet Sabya radar. So like, do you follow them? Like, do you have an idea?
Yes,
of course. Great.
I think the content is amazing. Like, it's very entertaining.
Yeah,
we don't believe in plagiarism at all, and it's very insightful. I mean, like, we get to know so many things from there, so it's an amazing page to follow. Love it.
True. Okay, on that note, thank you so much for your time. Good luck with the song, and I hope you create more music for us. Thank you so much.
I hope you enjoy Hum too. Bye.
Absolutely. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.